Today, I have something really cool, and I mean really cool. Have you ever been walking around somewhere like the airport and you can't find a charger or you forgot your charger? Well, this is the answer for you. It's FuelRod. It's fuel for your phone. Now let me paint you a picture. You're walking through the airport and you put all of your charging equipment in your carry-on or your check bag. Either way, it's not easy to get to. So instead, you can have one of FuelRod's power banks and use it to charge your phone, your laptop, whatever have you. I personally live in Seattle, and the cool thing about FuelRod is that in some places around the United States, they actually have vending machines where you can swap in your dead power banks for fully charged ones. So let me paint a picture again. You're at the airport. Remember, you just used your fuel rod and your phone's fully charged, but your fuel rod is completely dead. Now you want this power bank charged for your next flight. Well, just go to one of the kiosks and exchange your dead one for a new one. Boom, you got all fresh power. You can go check out the fuel rod packs on Amazon. I have this one right here and we're gonna unbox it today. First, notice it's in this carrying case. It's clear, it's simple, it's all it is. On the side, I have a little push plastic part and it opens up just like that. Now let's talk about the power bank. I'm assuming that the barcode is just for the vending machine to read it. What's great about this is that even though it comes with cables, you don't need any cable. If you have a phone or a case for your phone that has a magnetic backing, this can go right onto the back of the phone and start charging it. Boom, it's charging. And it has a battery level indicator right here, so it doesn't leave you guessing on how much power you have left in this guy. Let's talk about the power in this guy. Now, if you want to charge something with a cable, you can do that too. There's two Type-C output or inputs on the bottom right here, so you can output one to your laptop, you can output one to a phone, and then charge something else in the back here. I'll have all the charging specs on the screen right here so you know how much it outputs, and it can output a total of 20 watts. So if you have something just smacked here or outputted here, you're gonna be charging it at 20 watts, and that's enough to power a laptop, to charge a phone, to charge some drones, to charge your camera, to keep everything tip top. And with the high 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, you can keep it running for a long time. That's pretty much it. You have the power button on the side here. You have the USB-C ports right there. Charging indicator on this side. FuelRod logo on this side. And then what's left in the case? Well, you got 4 adapters and these white cables look pretty clean. So first, you have the USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is the most common cable. It's a universal cable. It charges all new iPhones, charges all Android phones, all laptops, all that stuff. This is the cable that you're gonna wanna use. And then you have USB Type-C to Lightning. And the Lightning is for your Apple devices that don't have USB Type-C still. They even work for older Android phones. Guys, do you remember the old Android phones that used to have the micro USB? Well, they have an adapter for this as well. I honestly was not expecting that, but they have it. And then you have the USB Type-C to a USB-A port. Tons of options, tons of adaptability, and all that goes in this clear case. When you buy one of these, you get instant credits instantly. You can use the credits for a few different things. You can purchase a new one of these, you can swap it, or you can replace a damaged one. If you want to see a kiosk near you, they have this right here. You can download the app or go on their website and it'll show you all of them in the area. I know California has a lot and Seattle has some in their airport. My favorite thing about this is that it can go on the back of my phone and magnetically charge it just like this. I'm super happy with that. It makes it so convenient to carry this around. No cables needed if you're just going to go ahead and charge your phone. And because of its size, even though it is still pretty compact, 10,000 milliamps means you can get multiple charges out of this for your phone. So if you don't want to swap it, you want to just hang on to it, you can keep this on the back. That's pretty much it, guys. That is me checking out the FuelRod MAX10. Let me know what you think of this power bank in the comments below. I have a couple of different ones that I've tried out, and I really like that this power bank has the swappable system. Now, normally you get ones like, I have one back here that is just a power bank, and it's cool, it's nice, but if this is dead and I don't have any way to charge it, well, it's dead. But if I'm at the airport, I got one of these, just swap it out. That's pretty much it. So let me know what you think of that in the comments below. I'm excited about it. I kind of want to just test it out and yeah, cool idea.